What's up, guys? We are here, as you can see, at the Las Vegas Convention Center. And the reason we're here is I'm actually here all week with Dim Sport North America for the SEMA Auto Show. So today I'm going to leave you guys with this video of a project I did with my nephews last week. I hope you guys like it, but make sure you subscribe because coming up in the next week or two I'm going to be posting all of the footage I have from SEMA. So love you guys, enjoy the video, and we'll catch you soon. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little side project. So my nephew, who's over here doing a gritty, is a PC gamer as well, and he doesn't have a desk. He does, but it kind of sucks. So today we're going to do a super budget build on the desk. It's going to be super simple, quick video. Basically you can do this under $100. Actually, my desk at home, it's a 5x5 corner desk I built under $100. So we're just going to roll the footage and start building. All right, so we're going to talk real quick about the things that we need. First, tabletop. All this is a sanded piece of plywood. Now this used to be a 8-foot by 4-foot sheet, but I took 3 of them and made a table at home for my TV stand, and I had this piece left over, so this is what we're going to use for his desk. So that's the main part, is the top itself. That's a 4-foot by 2-foot piece. Next thing we need, legs. We cut these to 29 inches. This is just simply a 4x4. We're gonna use some shelving brackets to attach the legs to the desk, and then we're gonna paint it. So this is a super simple, super budget desk, but it'll be very sturdy enough for him to have his PC, his monitors, everything else on. Alright guys, so super simple here on this desk. I'm literally using metal shelf brackets. We're going to set these legs up at each corner, and then we're just going to screw them in here. So they should be at a nice 90. I'm also going to run some screws down from the top of the desk through it just to add some extra stability. But very, very simple, something everybody can do at home. You might have seen I took a router to this post. I had one piece that was square, the rest are all rounded. So we're gonna use a router and we're gonna round off the edges and round off the top. Makes it look a lot nicer, even though it's still just literally a plywood and 2x4 desk. So we got everything underneath, right? Yes. And right now they just kind of hang under there. So for a little reassurance, we're gonna add some of these.
I really think I should I got you. I hit the gritty. I got to get sturdy.
Alright, so all we're doing is adding some reinforcement from the top while my nephews clown around.
Duh.
So we drilled some holes. We've got some very long, these are actually deck screws, so they'll provide plenty of support for this.
We're building a deck.
She gonna be sturdy.
That looked bendy.
Yeah, 270 pounds. I'm a large man.
400?
We want to make the desk look a little bit nicer than this, so all we're gonna do, we're gonna take our router, we're gonna clean up all the edges, we're gonna sand the top, and then we're gonna paint it. we haven't sanded yet. I just used the router.
Hey, there was dust on it. I don't want to hear it.
And now he wants to blow it off. Anybody want to tell him what's going to happen when we sand? But this is today's episode of Nothing's Really Free When It's Free. I'm going to make him finish the rest of this. So, yes, he's getting a free desk, but now he's got to sand it down and do all the painting. What, that it was blowing at you? I wanted to see if you'd figure it out. So guys, he is mad at me because he got himself covered in sawdust because he's never used an orbital sander, and he didn't realize that this was blowing dust out at him, and I just let him go for a minute. How you feel?
Accomplished.
Accomplished? Good. Now we get to blow it off and paint it.
To sit on the floor. Okay, my fingers.
Hey, what happened, Jimmy?
Nothing happened.
What's this big dark spot, Jimmy?
I think you're delusional. There's nothing there. Sometimes.
So Jimmy's over here talking about grandmas, how much he likes them.
My grandma's a cool person. That's even worse. Moving on.
Anyways,
I spill paint.
we made a bet before we started because I was going to let Jimmy paint it all, and we were going to say, how long till he spills the paint? It didn't take very long. But the desk is pretty much done. So we'll roll some B-roll here, some close-up shots, and some shots of once we get it actually into the room and get the PC set up on it. Hope you guys like this video. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. We got more projects coming. Some are going to be random stuff like this. Most are going to be car stuff. But love y'all, and we'll catch you next time.